All right, gentlemen. United States, U.S., turn three. I am now at war with everybody because Japanese wound up attacking me on Guam. Oh, what happened to transport? That's right. Started attacked me in Guam, landed there, and now I'm gonna do some revenge. Dun 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 dun. All right. So I had 58 to spend, but I had to take one off for technology. My buys, I am buying 6 tanks and 3 transports for 57. All right. And we'll start on this side since I'm over here. All right. So I'm going to take a sub and I'm going to do non-com at the same time because I only got one attack over here. And this sub and put it at 29. And this sub will sit there at 24. We're going to take this destroyer, go 1, 2, 3 to attack that sub. I'm also going to bring 1, 2, 3 attack and a fighter and attack. They'll come to 17 where this lovely aircraft carrier will be waiting for them. Okay? And that's basically it on this side. Okay? I don't know. Should I go after Gibraltar now or not? Nah. I'll wait. All right. On this side, um, I'm going to take this sub, go 1, 2, 3 to attack that one in Guam. I'm going to take my destroyer and go 1. One, two, three, and my destroyer is going to attack your destroyer and maybe get to transport and get lucky. We'll see. I'm debating. Let's see. Should I do it that one? Leave it for. Doesn't matter. Either way, I'm going to lose something. I have 2. I'm going to have to decide which way to go. I'm going to hit that for sure. Yeah, I'll go ahead and go for it that way. All right. Everybody else is non-com. All right. So let's go with this attack here. So I've got a 2, you've got a 1, and I got a 3 and a 4. All right. Actually can roll it all together. So let's see what happens. All right. I got a hit right there. And you're sunk. All right. So German sub is history. And these 2 planes will land back on the fighter. All right. That's interesting. Didn't think of that, but well, I'll be all right. Okay. Next battle is going to be this is auto kill. Transport is deleted. Yay. And the next one is this one here. So, all right. I'm going to use the green. I'm going to use the green one for me, and I'm going to use the red one for you. All right. So 2 2s. Let's see what happens. And we both got a hit. Huh. How about that? All right. Well, destroyer's gone. My destroyer's gone. Okay, still got the transport though. All right. So basically that's it for that one. All right. Non-com. All right. My fighter on Wake Island is going to. He's going back to the mainland. One, two, three, four, five. All right. So he'll be in Western United States. All right. So two mechs and two infantry are loading on these four transports. All right, and they're going one, two, and they're going over to A29. All right, so they'll be here in A20 or A26. Sorry. All right, A26. All right, this side over here, I'll go back. Same thing here. I'm going to take everything but the kitchen sink. All right, I'm going to take the whole fleet, and they're going to do the same thing. They're going down 1, 2, and they are going to A29 also. All right, so they will be in A29. So it'll be one battleship. I'll put these guys on the transport. All right. All right, so I'll have one battleship, two subs, two cruisers, destroyer, and a destroyer, and two aircraft carriers. Oop, left a plane behind. All right, and this aircraft carrier right there. All right, and we still got a British transport up here. So I got to make sure I mind Johnny tomorrow when he does his turn. All right, I'm gonna have a cruiser, aircraft carrier. Got an aircraft carrier. All right, and then I am going to place my three transports. Are coming up here with these five transports. All right, so it'll be five transports in 21. And these six lovely tanks are going to be over here too. All right. Okay. So they're ready to go. All right. That's it. Income going to be nice now. All right. So on the tracker, I have 55. 55. All right. And I've lost one U.S. territory. Okay. I entered the war on turn 3. That's 30. My territories. I actually have 14 territories. Okay. I am no longer neutral. All right. And I don't have any of your islands. Okay, so I got, like I said, 50, 55. So 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 109 for next turn. Should I bring out the calculator? Yeah. All right, so I have 55 plus 10 plus 30 plus 14. Yep, 109. So I have 109 to spend next turn. And $109 next turn. All right, let me see. I'm just going to make sure I'm going to do it this way, though. But take everything over here. Sure leaving that. Well, I don't know, John. We're sure leaving that kind of blank. Yeah, no matter what I do, still gonna be able to land it or not. One. Thinking, guys. Sorry. Gonna lose that. Gonna lose that, buddy. Gonna lose that for sure. Well, that's kind of like what he wants me to do. All right. Yep. So that's it. So for deposition of troops, Western United States is 1 fighter. Hawaii's got 2 infantry. I have a sub in 29. I have 2 infantry on the Philippines. And that's it on this side. This side in 29, A29, I have a sub. A24, I have a sub. Okay. A17, I have an aircraft carrier with a fighter and attack. A10, I have a destroyer. Okay. In C zone 26, I have 2 transports with 2 mechs and 2 infantry. I have 2 cruisers, 2 subs, a battleship, 2 aircraft carriers with 4 fighters, and 2 American destroyers. In 21, I have an aircraft carrier with 2 fighters. I have a cruiser, 5 transports, and in 20, I have a bomber, 2 AA, 2 artillery, 2 infantry, 1 mech, and 2, 4, 6, 7 tanks. All right. And I have 109 to spend next turn. So, all right. So it'd be on to Commonwealth or um, UK and China, and I know they're doing their. He's doing his turn in the morning. So just got off the phone with them. He's getting that all straightened out. So, and I'm going to do one of his turns right now for him, so he don't forget. But he is taking the infantry and moving into Brazil, and activating Brazil for England. Okay, and he'll get 4 more guys for that because being off to the side here, he might forget it. So if you guys don't mind, I'm just doing it now for him. So I have 5 guys in Brazil in case he forgets. Okay, the rest of it, he knows what he's doing. I hope. All right, there you go, guys.